Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing video on this Wonderloom bucket of bands, and it is by Wonderloom and the Beatery Craft Products. It comes with 8,000 latex-free rubber bands, so 1,000 for every color, 2 hooks, which are right here, and 100 C-clips, which are right here. And it has every color of the rainbow, including indigo, violet, and pink, so they were very specific about that. But I have already opened this because I got the hooks out to use them for something. So yeah, it is already technically unboxed, but I will still be giving a review on this. So I already have one of these, and I got it at Walmart for $12, I think. And Walmart is a great place to get like Rainbow Loom products. I mean, it's not actually Rainbow Loom, obviously, but like you can get organizing cases and all of these bands for $12 each, probably. So it does have 1,000 of every color band, 100 C-clips, and 2 little hooks, and there's one in pink and one in blue, and they actually do work pretty well, but the thing that I don't like about them is that their neck part is so limited. But these will work for most designs, just not most hook-only designs. So if you're using these on an actual loom, then these are perfect. They were free with the thing, and they work. But I would recommend just using a regular metal-tipped crochet hook if that is an option. Okay, and then here's the little package of C-clips. And it's actually kind of satisfying to crunch that. But yeah, they are C-clips, not S-clips, and I actually like C-clips better. So yeah, and then they didn't actually organize it in rainbow order. I did that, but I feel like it just looks better. So yeah, like I said, this isn't technically an unboxing video. It's just like a review. And I do really like the texture of them. They are latex-free rubber bands, and they just feel so perfect. And I'm definitely not running out of this package, my last package of these, so I don't actually need to open any of them, but I will just for the sake of the video and opening it. Okay, so I got it open, and here's the bands. They feel like silicone almost, and they work really good for Rainbow Loom bands. You can break them, but it's not as easy to break as Magic Loom bands, which are like really old and they're not a thing anymore. But if you do have any of those left, they're gonna break really easily because they're probably like 5 years old, and whenever bands get 5 years old, they fade and they get brittle, and it's just not pretty. So yes, I do believe that because they're latex free, that gives them like a cooler like texture, and it just feels so smooth. So I really like the way these feel. They are good quality bands, and they're really well priced, and everyone knows where a Walmart is, so you can get your own. And the only thing that I wish was different about it, I mean, besides them coming in rainbow order automatically, I feel like that should just be how it is. I feel like the bucket thing, the little dividers in it, I think it would be better if they weren't like removable, because if they weren't and they were like better quality, then you could actually dump these bands into this bucket, because with some tape this lid would stay on fine, but you would need some like washi tape around the edges or something. but you could actually use this bucket to store your bands in, but unfortunately, because of the divider situation thing, that's not going to be easy, because I can take them out just like that. And so yeah, they are really good quality bands, and they're really cheap for what, like, I got it at Walmart for 12 bucks, like 8,000 bands, 2 hooks, and 100 C-clips for 12 bucks. That's as cheap as you're going to find them anywhere. So, it might have even been 8 bucks. I don't remember. It might have been $8, might have been 12. There's the bottom. Oh, look, one little green band got out. I wonder how that happened. But, like I said, there is indigo and violet. So that's the violet. Sorry, okay. So that's the violet and that's the indigo. And I do like the indigo better, but it's nice to have 2 options of purple. But I do wish that they had a white and a black in this. Or like, yeah, white and black. Just white and black would be better. So one last look at the lid. So that's what it looks like. So yes, these are really good quality bands. I've been using them for I've actually had this box for a year now, and it still hasn't broken, and I haven't, I've opened it because I've had it for a year. But yeah, they're really good bands, and I've never actually had name brand Wonderloom bands, because rainbowloom.com is just not easy to navigate, and they're a lot cheaper if they're like Wonderloom or Crazy Loom or some other kind of loom. So, yes, they are a cheaper option, and they are a lot better. Now, if you've had Wonderloom bands before, I would say 2017 or before that, these have changed drastically. They used to be really, shiny and, plasticky, and they used to have, little points, and they're so much better now. They've improved a lot, and, so yes, I do give a great review on this product. I will give it 5 stars, because all the things that I wish it had would be unreasonable for the price that it was. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to force you to do it. I can't, so, but yes, if you want Rainbow Loom videos, or Wonderloom, or whatever you call it, visit my channel, which should be pretty easy to do. It's just, it's down there. For Rainbow Loom videos, I have a lot of really easy tutorials to follow, and a lot of really easy designs. Most of them are not my original design, though. So, yeah, but check me out at Jillian Creates on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.